See, I wasn't kidding about them coming in today. They're loving it.
Oh yeah, he's splashing around. Look at him. Oh, and his buddy.
Yeah, oh, the other one's waiting. It's diving.
Like, hey, this is fun.
Right? That's a lot of blue jays out there.
Yeah, there is. They're having a party.
Yes, they are. Uh-oh. Something came and started them. What? What?
Oh, no, the next pair are going to jump in now. See that? Oh, now he's out. Oh, the other one jumped. Yeah, they were taking turns. See that?
They hang around the wagon and, yeah.
They're just taking turns.
Oh, we're dive bombing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's definite activity happening there. And now somewhere on the ground foraging. I see that? Let's go in there.
Oh, here comes a big one.
Well, they're being careful. They're not quite sure what's going on. Well, you're right. There's a lot of them. Look at that splash.
Hurry up, it's somebody else's turn. Don't hog all the water.
Yeah, don't bogart that thing. I'm having a hard time holding this still. There you go. That was a good shot. Great. Great. Oh wow. 3 or 4 of them at a time now.
It's an amazing amount of blue jays, I tell you.
Splashing everybody.
It's like we're loving this today. This is the highlight of the morning. All right.
Definitely.